Is it worth it to own a home gym? That's what I want to help you answer today. As someone who's had a home gym for a couple of years now, is it worth the cost? Is it nice to have something in your garage that you can just walk out to when the gyms are busy every January? So I want to help you answer that question today and tell you, do I think it's worth it to have a home gym? So I'm going to give you a couple pros and cons to help you decide, is it worth it financially? Is it worth the investment to jump into a home gym? So the first pro right off the bat is the commute. I can get to my home gym in just about 30 seconds, which is great when you just had a kid. So through this video, I'm going to give you a layout of the equipment that I've purchased, how it works for me, and then again, lay out some of the pros and cons while running through a workout. Let's get started. Now, obviously one of the biggest cons, of course, is the cost. It takes a lot of money to get started with your home gym. There's a lot of investment up front. So I figured I'd lay out for you everything that I've purchased, how much it costs, and my thinking behind some of it. Okay, here's everything I purchased. The squat stand. I went with an SML Rogue Monster Light squat stand with the safety arms, $705. That's the biggest investment. Any sort of squat rack or squat stand. I got the Rogue Ohio Power Bar. That was about $400. Really nice bar. It's gonna last forever, but it was a big investment up front. And then I got these Power Block Elite EXP series, and they're 5 to 70. Those are pretty expensive, about $500. Those are my dumbbells, adjustable dumbbells. And the weights, I bought those in a package a long time ago. I don't remember exactly how much they were, but I think they were about $300. It's only about 335 pounds worth of weight. And then I got a Rogue weight tree that was used. I think that was about $125. The bench is about $100, another package deal. I have a pulley system for about $50. It allows me to do some cable work. Pull-up bar used $35, and then I got some horse stall floor mats. If you're gonna get a home gym, these are the best. They're about $40 a piece. I got 2 of them. That totaled up as $1,795, $1,795. And that's honestly on the cheaper side of home gyms, but I've got everything I need. I can do pretty much anything I want outside of the machines that you would find in a bodybuilding gym, but that's what it cost me. So the way I see it as far as the upfront cost of the home gym is it's about $1,800, and a normal gym membership is anywhere from like 50 to 60 bucks. Let's call it 60. So it would pay for itself in just under 3 years, about 30 months. So if you feel like you're gonna use it for 3 years, it's probably gonna be worth it in the long run. And I'm gonna be using this thing for 10, probably 20 years. So I think it was worth the investment. So while the home gym is gonna save me money over time, there is some concern to the limited equipment that I have. If you have a gym membership, you have access to pretty much any machine you can think of, and I just don't. I have a squat rack, I have dumbbells, I have a pull-up bar, and you can do a lot with that, but that's not everything. So take that into consideration as you're deciding to have a home gym or not. Are you the kind of guy that likes a lot of variety, that needs to spice it up to keep it interesting for yourself? A home gym might not be right for you. Another thing I like about having a home gym is you can do whatever you want. It's your own house. I have some decoration over my corner. I have privacy, there's no judgment, which is really great because I can't lift very much. No one to laugh at me except myself. I don't have to wait for other people. I don't have to share a squat rack with other gym members. I can just walk right in and get to my set. Now for some people that may be a con. People love going to the gym and hanging out with their buddies. I have a lot of friends who are like that, and I get it. And there's also a lot of benefit to some accountability. Hey, I'm showing up at 5 a.m. Are you gonna show up at 5 a.m.? I'm benching heavyweight. Are you gonna bench heavyweight? And some people like that. I'm not one of those people. I like to come to the gym, be by myself, lock in, do my thing, and be done with it. So if you're that kind of person, if you love the social interaction, maybe you work from home, maybe you need that people time, then you might want to keep the membership. Also, these are the best. They're like a cone, tricep, I don't know. I love them. Something that's really been coming in handy for me, and as another pro of the home gym, is it's open 24/7. I mean, we just had a kid this year, and finding a consistent routine to work out has been really, really difficult. So I know that I can come in here at 9 o'clock, baby's down, I can come get a workout in. Or if I need to come in at 5 a.m. one morning, I know I can do that. But I can come in any time of the day, any day of the week. My gym's always open, baby. Now, one thing I would say is a huge con is it comes with some motivation challenges. And I know a lot of people who think, hey, I'm not really working out right now, but if I could just get a gym at home, I'd have no problem with it. I work out all the time. That's not realistic. So if you're thinking about getting a home gym and you're one of those people who says, if I could just work out at home, I would work out all the time, that's not a good plan. What I would tell you is you need to build this discipline, build the habit before you get the home gym. Know that you're gonna be able to do it consistently for many years. So you might need to go to a gym for a couple of years. Build the habit before you spend all the money to get the gym. Because if you look at Facebook Marketplace, you'll see this time and time again. Bought a gym, thought I was gonna have time to work out. No, I can't. Brand new stuff, all awesome stuff. Used it for just a couple months and now they're selling it for the cheap. Don't let that be you. And honestly, the last con, it really affects me, and I didn't even really want to bring it up because I'm kind of a wimp, but it gets really cold in here. When it's 20 degrees outside, I don't want to lift in here. And on the other side of the token, when it's 100 degrees outside here in Nashville, it's muggy. I get some of the best sweats going, but it is hot. So garage gyms, they're not temperature controlled. It gets cold, it gets hot. Springtime is the best time to work out, but if you can afford the space in your home, inside the house, obviously it's temperature controlled, that's the best way to do it. But for now, I'm stuck out here in the garage like a car. So let me know what you guys think. Are you gonna get the home gym or are you gonna keep the gym membership? I'm gonna finish this workout, but let me know in the comments.